Here in Queens, the coronavirus has hit hard, especially in neighborhoods like Corona and East Elmhurst, home to many low-income and undocumented immigrants. Here, immigrants are struggling with different kinds of problems. For Nelly and Jaime, it was their health.
That night, I left my son with one of my sisters and we went to urgent care. There were many people there who looked bad, very bad. We went to the doctor and he told him, it's very probable you have the virus. I will confirm it with some x-rays. They sent him back and he says, your lungs are swollen. You have to go to the hospital. They take him to the hospital. They don't let anyone accompany him. He couldn't walk. He couldn't talk. He had to hang on to the medic's arm. I just gave him a piece of paper with my phone number and the doctor's number.
When I got there, they did all kinds of tests. They tested my urine, checked my back. I have all the papers here.
Here are some test results for coronavirus. I don't know if you can see, but it says they are pending. They told him we would wait 2 to 3 days. That was March 24th. Today is April 18th, but we don't have any results of the test. The next day, he gets out of the hospital, and I go to the pharmacy to get medicine. I passed by a clinic next to it. There was people there who approached the place, saying they were sick, but they said, we are not helping anybody with the symptoms right now. Just go home and take Tylenol. When I heard that, I thought, how can they send them away when they don't even check them? They were all men who looked like him. How is it possible that they send them home? They don't take their temperature, nothing, and tell them to just drink Tylenol. When all around the area, and I can assure you all around this area, I look for Tylenol and there wasn't any.
Just a couple of train stops away is Hiju and her family, who have been struggling with finances.
I used to work at a restaurant for about 4 years, and because of this pandemic, our restaurant shut down. So I'm under the DREAM Act, so I'm like under DACA, which gave me like Social Security work authorization. So I was able to like fill out the unemployment benefit plan, and like it worked out perfectly fine. But I know like it's still not a lot to go by, especially considering that I'm probably the only one who's like authorized to work in my family. So like that's probably, the money is probably going to go to like our family expenses. So my dad is the only one who works in my family, but like he's more of like a self-employed like party planner kind of thing. So all the events that he had got canceled or pushed back, which means like there's no money coming in. And they also have Social Security as well, so they got the stimulus check because they pay taxes, but that's like $1,200. That's like our rent like per month, so it's not really like suitable for our living situation. Like considering I'm a college student, I still think I should be getting money. It's not fair that like I'm dependent and I still file so many taxes, but I still don't get money. It's like crazy. If I was documented our work, not to say like people who have like really like well-off jobs are doing well as well, but they would probably still be working at home. Like if office job, like lawyers, you still do whatever they have to do at home. So like money is still coming in like as income, but the government's paying us monthly. You never know what's going to happen to that, because the government could just end it at any moment.
Reflecting on their experiences throughout this pandemic, Hiju and the Medinas have advice for those who are undocumented.
To like stay strong, like it will get better no matter what happens. Like I realized a lot of times, like before I was under DACA, I felt like it was hopeless for me. I felt like I couldn't get like scholarship, I can't do a lot of things. But like NYU too, they offered me like the DREAM Act scholarship, and that's the only reason why I got into this school. So like there's always like light at the end of the road. It's really cheesy, but it's true. Like some things, just like, good things happen once in a while. Like it comes up from all the hard work. You probably, you know, just persevere and stuff. Yeah.
It's better to be kicked out of the country than to get sick and lose our lives and leave our families. I would tell them to go to the hospitals and not to be afraid. Go get the help you need, whatever it might be, so you can get healthy.
As for Park and the Medinas, they're grateful to be healthy for now and are living their life one quarantine day at a time. If you or someone you know is an undocumented immigrant, be sure to visit www.informedimmigrant.com for resources and information. In Queens, 4 Cooper Squared, I'm Andrea Pineda-Salgado.